Alright, let's start right from the beginning with the zip folder part. So when I downloaded the DS Gold Robot EA V7.2 MT4, the very first thing I noticed was this clean little zip file sitting perfectly on my desktop. No messy extras or random files, just the actual DS Gold Robot EA V7.2 MT4 package ready to go. Which already gave me a good feeling because this bot doesn't come bloated with unnecessary junk. Now moving to the unzipping part, this was super easy. I just right-clicked the DS Gold Robot EA V7.2 MT4 zip file, hovered over the WinRAR option, and clicked on Extract Files. And boom, instantly the folder opened up showing everything neatly laid out. And the main thing you'll notice inside is the ex4 file of DS Gold Robot EAV 7.2 MT4 along with supporting setup materials. And honestly, the extraction process felt smooth and quick, making the installation experience beginner-friendly even if you're totally new to expert advisors. Alright, now let's talk about the ex4 file, the heart of DS Gold Robot EA V7.2 MT4. This is the actual engine that runs the bot inside your MT4 terminal. And once I copied that ex4 file into my experts folder in MT4 and refreshed the navigator, DS Gold Robot EAS 7.2, MT4 popped up immediately like it was ready for action. Attaching it to the chart was seamless, no errors, no missing DLL issues, nothing complicated, just a clean install that instantly gave me confidence in the bot's structure and coding quality. Now okay, let's move to the most important, and honestly the most exciting part. The MyFexBook results of DS Gold Robot EAV 7.2 MT4. And when I checked this bot's verified stats, I was genuinely impressed because the performance wasn't exaggerated or flashy, it was stable, consistent, and totally believable. The daily gain hovered around 1%, monthly returns shot up around 34%, and even though the max drawdown stood near 36%, the equity curve climbed beautifully without scary deep dips, showing that DS Gold Robot EAV 7.2 MT4 handles gold volatility with smart, calculated entries instead of gambling scalps. The chart showed a smooth, long-term upward trend, equity tightly hugging balance, meaning the bot doesn't hold losing trades for long. And when I checked deeper, the advanced statistics made things even clearer. Over 406 trades, 82% win rate on longs, huge total pip count above 10,800, strong profit factor above 2.6, solid average wins beating average losses, and nothing in the stats looked suspicious or unnatural. Even the forecast tool projected a clean upward growth curve for the next decade using a non-compounding model, which again proves the DS Gold Robot EAV 7.2 MT4 is designed for long-term stable performance, not flashy one-day spikes. Honestly, after comparing it to the dozens of bots I've tested, this one genuinely felt more mature and controlled in terms of accuracy and risk behavior. Okay, let's go to the MT4 backtesting part now. This one I'll keep quick but useful. So when I ran the DS Gold Robot EAV 7.2 MT4 on MT4 using historical data, the report came out clean with no mismatched chart errors, modeling quality stayed high, net profits climbed steadily, and the drawdown remained within a controlled zone that matched very closely to the MyFexBook performance. The profit factor hovered around the 3+ range, the equity curve rose smoothly without wild drops, and the bot handled XAUUSD and gold movements with the same precision I saw in live stats, which honestly convinced me that DS Gold Robot EAV 7.2 MT4 has a reliable algorithm that doesn't collapse under historical stress. Wrapping everything up, if DS Gold Robot EAV 7.2 MT4's clean installation, verified MyFexBook performance, solid MT4 backtesting, and overall consistent behavior impressed you the same way it impressed me after my testing, then this specific bot is available right now on our website. And to know more about it or get instant access, just check the link in the description. And if you want to join the trading community, discuss results, share setups, or get updates related to DS Gold Robot, EAV 7.2 MT4 make sure to join our Telegram group using the link below. Alright, that's my full hands-on review of DS Gold Robot, EAV 7.2 MT4. And I hope this detailed breakdown helps you understand its performance clearly.